people inside.
There's a police. There's a police.
Yeah, there's a police right now.
Police.
If we're doing speech day in there.
Remember speech day?
Imagine if we practice true colors there.
Your true colors.
True fire.
This video is gonna go viral.
Your true color is
Why can't they see the fire? I see the evacuators.
Are you guys okay?
They're not. They're totally not.
Just take it down.
I'm so sure I can't. Oh my god. I know what you're gonna say. Please, Mr. Clark.
Open the window. We can say it for like a
Open the window, Mr. Clark.
We can say it for like a project.
Fires go the comic.
I have to do it. We should text this to Mr. Harrison and tell him to look outside.
We should come to this picture. We should come to see smoke.
Imagine if we practice true colors inside.
The true fire.
True fire.
Our last words.
True colors.
Oh my god, this is scary.
Josh, if we sing true colors, we have to sing true colors.
We're dying in a fire. We're dying in a fire.
Look, Josh, we have to sing this here.
Oh my gosh. This is the first fire I've seen literally next to me.
Me too.
Guys, look, it's red. It's red.
Last time the fire was right beside me, the smoke was
What time is school?
I don't know. But the windows can't open, so the smoke is stuck in there.
No, guys, look. You see the windows? They're kind of red.
Yeah.
Put your hands down and for respect. Oh, I see smoke coming out of the building.
Yeah.
exactly.
You go.
Are
Somebody take a photo.
Your true fire shining through. Where's smoke?
I see your truth.
That looks like a gigantic gust of wind.
Oh, that's just water mist. That's just mist from the water.
I see a fire.
I think it's a big fire.
Fire! Fire in the hall.
Yeah, it's just mist from the water.
Yeah, this is such a coincidence. We just practiced true colors the break before this happens.
They're shaking. Shaking.
I have to send this to my mom. I'll send it to the mom.
Smoke!
Oh, there's smoke.
Smoke!
Fire!
Smoke!
Someone save the people who are calling out these people.
They're charged for me! Smoke!
Smoke!
Oh, smoke! Oh my god!
If there's people in there, they're gonna suffocate.
They're gonna die. I'm just crying looking at this
One
right
person screaming, die! And we have the other one saying, help us!
No, thank you.
Why are you making fun of this?
Thank you.
Who said die? Laura.